And thank you to the person who promoted me, probably, or I just got lucky, which I done, for giving me the 290 something views. Now time to celebrate the freaking views amount of 1K. I can't believe more than 100 people have seen me. Actually, I can't believe more than 50 people have seen me online, and most of them have willingly stayed. So I want to sincerely say thank you and peace out.